Hello friends, my name is Ishan and welcome back to my YouTube channel Gulf Vacancy. I hope you all are doing well. Sorry for the last week, I couldn't get the time to compile the vacancies. But now this time I have come with vacancies for freshers in different fields. For applying job, forward your resume to the email IDs and mobile number mentioned in the given slide. Today's our vacancy is for account assistant, office admin cum accountant, clerk, controller, helper, HR document controller, restaurant in charge cum chef, male cook cum cleaner, registered nurse and delivery driver. Before going to start video, I am requesting you all to share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos on time. So here we go. Our first vacancy is for accounts assistant. Job location will be Dubai and salary would be discussed at interview. Freshers can apply for this position but have at least good understanding of accounting. Dubai based company has vacancies for office admin cum accountant. Only freshers can apply. Salary will be discussed during interview. Dubai and Sharjah based accounting firm needed an account assistant. Salary would lie in between 3000 dirham to 4000 dirham. Candidate must have accounting and its relevant degree and should be able to prepare financial statement. Here the firm did not mention any requirement for experience, so freshers can also apply. Don't lose the opportunity and send your CV now. There is a requirement for invoicing clerk, inventory controller and 5 helpers in fresh fruit and vegetable company. Job location would be Dubai. Accommodation, transportation and other benefits as per UAE law will be provided by the company in addition to fixed salary. Our fifth vacancy is for account assistant in Dubai based company. Salary has not been described here. Candidate must have knowledge of VAT, daily report and other accounting areas. This vacancy is for HR document controller in Dubai based company. Company is offering 3000 dirham to 3500 dirham salary package. Candidate must have knowledge of HR areas like offer letter, salary certificate, employees requisition, etc. Our seventh vacancy is for restaurant in charge cum chef. Job will be in Dubai. Candidate having Indian and Pakistani nationality can apply. Male cook cum cleaner required in North Indian family. Work location would be Dubai. Candidate must be available for immediate joining. Medical center in Sharjah have vacancies for registered nurse. Salary has no bar and will be discussed during interview and depend on the candidate experience and last on salary. Today's our 10th and last vacancy is for delivery driver. Dubai will be the working area. All benefits as per UAE law will be provided to the candidate. So that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. Inshallah next time I will bring more vacancies for you. Till then, bye bye and take care. Stay home and stop COVID-19.